Like the methodology about what the SOL is teaching us, the method about what they are teaching us is the most impressive and most effective manner in which one can learn everything.
And it was fun learning each and every aspect of business, each and every part of an entrepreneur, how entrepreneur act, how to dream, how to think, how to act, how to discover yourself.
Most important thing which I came across during this entire program was how to connect dots. Means you could figure out your future, predict your future by looking at your past. That was something totally new which I never got to know from any other entrepreneurship programs in India.
Got to know about my true personality that I hold by my own experiences of life. And about the mentors, I can say they personally interact with each and every student by take care of each and everyone, so that's the best way to gain knowledge.
Program is that now I'm not scared of doing any business and taking any risk in life. So this is what is great about SOL.
ISL is all about polishing and manufacturing leaders.
ISOL is a miracle to the young entrepreneur students to fighting fear of their entrepreneur life.
The ISL have changed my way of thinking. Some of the things which are stopping me from being an entrepreneur up till now was that I have been not able to take risks. I think now I can take risks.
And the last week of the program was an eye-opener for me. I discovered various things that I possessed since childhood and how I could basically apply them in the further career.
An entrepreneur makes the meaning, not money or something else. He always work for people, or we can say that he always work for our society. He loves to improve our society.
I really like ISOL, each and everything of the ISOL, their teaching style, their conversational teaching style rather than the lecture style of the teaching.
It showed me a mirror what I am and what I want to be. ISOL is a program which I would never forget, and it is a program which made me, encouraged me, and it's fantastic.
ISOL has given me a chance to think about myself and to make me intermingle with myself. I can sit here and think just about what I want and what I am born for.
So what I've learned from there as an entrepreneurial leader, the quality of a leader, how to just help others to groom under your leadership and just give a positive feedback to your superiors. Just whatever I just learned, I'm just utilizing those things in my practical life, and things are working out very well for me.
I found very interesting thing about myself while learning this program, while attending, because I played a lot of games where I come to know what's my reality, what's my predisposition, my heart, and what's my purpose of life. I used to think a lot, but I didn't used to act on it. So I got to learn that how to act. And now I've got something new in my life, and really, inshallah, I will work on it. And the thing I like the most, they have prepared me mentally to do something different. They have prepared me to bring something new to the world. So we are working towards our organization, and I think that I would make it, inshallah. Thank you.